Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Nissan Pulsar ST hatch, stock reference number 5007. This shape runs from the 12th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2017. It has an MRA 8DE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. MRA 8DE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand guard, which has one small dent. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Parcel shelf. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.